Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add picture in Google Sheets. So the first step is to simply click on insert and then you're gonna have to select the image. Now as you can see we have two different options, so we can insert an image in a cell, or if you want you can insert the image over cells. So simply pick any of these, and then what we're gonna have to do, so I'm gonna pick a random one. So I'm gonna search for sunset, and then I'm gonna insert this one here. So as you can see, this will be in the cell. So as you can see, if I make the cell bigger, so let's see if we can increase here. As you can see, the image will be bigger. Now, if you want, you can also go and click on insert image over cells. And I'm gonna do the same thing. So let's search for sunset, and I'm gonna pick this one here and click on insert. And as you can see, now we have the image over the cells, and basically that's how you can add pictures in Google Sheets. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.